What's up, beautiful people? It's your homegirl, Miss Shameless, all up in your building, and this video is all about shooting and editing a lookbook. Yes, a lookbook and everything on your iPhone. And it's so simple. People think you need to have the latest and greatest, and I'm here to let you know that you don't. I was even shocked at how good this footage looked. Me. So yes, tips and tricks from yours truly, and let's just get into this now, shall we? Tip number one, have a dope location. For me, it's all about having a location that helps complement the look that I am attempting to serve. So for my first look, I have something fun, playful. I thought, hey, tennis court. It's super close to my house, and it just makes the look come together. With this look, it's super boho, super casual. I'm gonna keep boho and casual in my home. And for my 90s rhythm outfit, I thought, okay, she's serving you black, dark, industrial. Let me go to my parking garage. So when you're looking for locations, look for locations that complement the look that you are serving. Tip number two, steady your shot. The easy way to do that is using a tripod. If you have a tripod, all you do is get the plate. If you have a selfie stick, this screws right into your selfie stick, and then you put your camera in, and you good to go. You hit record, walk away, and you start serving looks by yourself, for your viewers. Say you want a more dynamic shot. You're gonna need a second shooter. I brought Brittany, who's a talented videographer and editor, to this shoot, and she be giving me all kinds of looks. A tip, if you're shooting with other people that aren't a videographer, just make sure you bring your elbows in to stabilize the shot. That will help make the video that much more smoother because we don't want freaking shaky. Just stabilize that shot, bring your elbows in. This tip is clutch, it's renting from ShareGrid. Brittany put me on ShareGrid, and it's so awesome. If you're a videographer, a photographer, you can rent gear from other creatives. So if you have gear, you can put your gear there for rent, or you can rent from other people. You can rent it for the day, and it's super simple. And this makes your content like go from here to here. It's just next level. And look at this footage. Just giving you all kinds of glide. Just, what? iPhone, gimbal, set, lookbook, all right. Next tip, apps. In terms of shooting, you can shoot directly on your camera, or you can use an app like Filmic Pro or Rush. Now these apps allow you to have control over the exposure of the video. So you can adjust the shutter, the ISO, even the color temperature if it's too cool or too warm. Those apps allow you to adjust. And finally, editing. As for editing, I use Rush, which is an app created by Adobe, and it uses the same engineering as Premiere. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a new project. I'm gonna look for my files that I'll use for this project. I'm using Dropbox, and now I'm just gonna give this a name, Lookbook, create. Oops, I forgot. Let me add more files. So Dropbox, Lookbook. I have like little backdrops that I created. Now I'm only going to edit a portion of this because this is very time consuming. Editing on your iPhone is time consuming. So I can drag and drop my music like so. I can make it extend longer. And I'm going to add actual footage. So now I'm going to get out of Dropbox. I'm going to go to my album. And I have a folder called Lookbook. And I could just, grab this stuff. Okay, perfect. So that's the footage. I filmed both. I filmed vertical and horizontal, but different here. So I can go ahead and edit this. Let me see. If I double click, perfect. Rotation, skipped it. So I'm gonna hit 90, bam. Scale, I can make, I'll make it small like that. And now I'll scrub through this. Ooh. Yeah, here, I'm gonna cut there. And you can click on the clips. I'm gonna delete all of that. Bam. Cut. I'm not going to delete that. I'm going to move this by holding it. Oop. And oop. And putting it on another track level. and I could put it on top. I can stack it on top. Ooh, you see where I'm going with this? You see? Scrub. And I like that. So I'll just cut it, zoom in, hold, and drag and drop. Now, I can also double click on this and I can crop it under advanced. So I can crop it to be a square or a different ratio. And if I click on the actual video, I can drag it and move it around. Here, like my now. Gonna click on this timeline again. Ooh, look at that boot shot. Okay, cut that. Bam, cut that. What did I do? Okay, if you don't know what you did, you can hit this little back arrow. Bam. On the top right to undo what your last action was. So I'm just gonna drag this all the way over. Now you can see how time consuming this is, but again, you don't need a desktop to edit. Okay, so I want it side by side, so I'm gonna stack it on top. Zoom in. Bam, okay. Double click on the boot and I can scale this a little bit more. I want it to be the same size. Bam. But I want to move it to the side here. Double click on that. Crop the left. Oh, because it's rotated. My bad. So yeah, bottom, top. And this, to make it a little bit more dynamic, we can punch in. So I'm gonna click on that, double click, scale. We want it, bam. Cut this. Make this one bigger, so scale. Try to make it the same. Make sure there's no black in between. Cut, and then maybe I'll make this the full size, so double click, scale. There we go. Now let's see what that looks like. Okay, so now the problem, I have audio playing, so let's just double click. Actually, no. Hit this audio button on the bottom and hit mute. And that will just mute the track from the video. And again, see, I marked this marker and I'm gonna just line it up with the beat. There we go. Okay, play. Bam. And this is just the intro. And how long did that take me? Quite some time, but still, everything is doable. And like the more cuts you add, the more dynamic, the more change up, switch up, the more dynamic. You can also add transitions, but I'm gonna let you figure that out, okay? There's lots happening here. There's a lot in this app, so feel free to have fun. I'll put the link in the info box below. This app really does allow you to edit directly on your phone at the tip of your fingers. Thank you, Brittany, for shooting this for me instead of having a static tripod shot. Go ahead and use ShareGrid. I'm not even, this is not even sponsored by them, but it's a really, really awesome site. So I do encourage you to up your ish, okay? But you can be basic. I'm basic 5 days out of the week. The other two, she out here. I hope you found this video helpful. Go ahead and like this video. Turn your notifications on so you know when I upload a video. And until next time, remember to do you, be you, and stay true.